Yokogawa used AI technology to solve customer issues in the oil and gas, chemical, and other industries. Based on our experience and knowledge at using AI to solve problems, Yokogawa has released an anomaly detection feature for GA10 data logging software. GA10 is a PC software for monitoring and recording data from measuring instruments and sensors. Because settings are simple and it can be used immediately after installation, it is used in various settings for monitoring and storage of distributed facility data. In addition, monitoring screens can be customized to your unique applications. These features enable use of the GA10 in a wide range of fields, including production line monitoring, environmental monitoring, and power monitoring. Now we have integrated an anomaly detection function on GA10, which is the most suitable AI feature for facility maintenance prediction. Many equipment operate inside a plant, and if trouble happens with any of the equipment, it can stop the production line and cause severe damage. Of course, the factory performs periodic inspections to try to prevent trouble, but problems can still happen suddenly. As a solution, you can install GA10 and let it learn what data looks like from equipment working normally. The GA10's AI then recognizes the difference between normal and abnormal equipment status. When abnormality or sign of abnormality occur, GA10 notifies the user automatically. This AI function enables you to maintain equipment before trouble happens, and to quickly identify which of a large number of equipment have abnormal tendencies. This is the actual monitoring screen. The left side shows an asset data trend graph and digital monitor. The right side shows the health score, which indicates how much anomalies are happening in the trend graph and digital display. A health score of 0 or more means normal, and less than 0 means anomalous. The smaller the value, the larger the anomaly. Also, when an anomaly is detected, the monitor is highlighted in yellow, and the user can easily recognize that an anomaly is happening. Like this, GA10 lets you know the sign of anomalies in facilities. But this feature is useful for detecting abnormal signs in equipment and diagnosing clogs in pipes. For detecting equipment anomalies, attach a vibration sensor to the moving parts of a rotating machine, agitator, and compressor. By collecting and analyzing data on GA10, you can do maintenance and repair work before trouble happens. Also for pipe clog diagnosis, by collecting data of pipe swinging and sound, GA10 analyzes clogs inside pipelines, which can be used as a guide for pipe cleaning timing. The GA10 anomaly detection feature can be used in various applications besides these examples. So please try its new features by downloading the free trial version from our website.